Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Colin, aka Editor Colin Online. I'm a 21-year-old video editor who was ranked the #1 editor on YT Jobs in 2025. I've done 500 million long-form views for my clients. I make over $12,000 every month from video editing, and I've retired my mom from video editing, all at age 21. So that's a little bit about me if you've never heard of me and why you might want to listen to what I have to say. And today I'm going to talk about exactly how I would go from $0 to $5,000 a month, reoccurring every month with editing, plus Twitter if I had to start from absolutely zero. So if you're anywhere between $0 and under $5,000 a month, listen up. And if you're at 5K or over, still listen up because you might find some helpful sauce in this video. Now, before I get into this first point, if you like what you hear in this video, make sure you check out my new school community called Six Figure Editor, where I answer questions daily from every single member, have a huge course on everything I know about editing, give you specific feedback and critiques based on your specific situation, do group calls, and just an awesome community full of super passionate grinders, all grinding for beautiful reasons, to retire their families, to travel the world, and do many more things. And it's just such an amazing community, and I'm so happy with it. So sorry to plug it so early, but I highly recommend you check it out if you're an editor interested in going full time. But anyways, now let's start with the honest reality for beginner editors. Most of them are making $0 a month from editing. They may have Premiere Pro installed, they may have their own Twitter account, yet they're like, where's the money? What am I doing wrong? And you know what? That's valid because you don't know what you don't know. But luckily, I'm here to help you today and get you on the right path. And honestly, the actual path is way more sequential than what you may believe. So let's start with the first 30 days because these are the most important, from going from zero to at least being somewhere in the game with, a client or two down the line. So the first 30 days is all about positioning. What I mean by positioning, I mean picking a specific niche, building a Twitter profile that communicates your expertise immediately without people having to question. They go in your profile and they should be able to know within seconds what you're about. And of course, posting content that demonstrates you understand what makes videos perform and how to edit well, rather than just announcing that you're available every day. Now, after that, here's how to land your first client when you're at $0 a month and never had a client before or don't currently have any clients. Now, what I recommend is warm outreach. Now, there's a difference. Now, there's two types of outreach. There's cold outreach, which is reaching out to total strangers who have no idea who you are, have no idea what you do, and trying to convince them to buy your thing. That's pretty hard. Even the best converting cold outreach only has like a 2 to 4% success rate. So, you're going to be needing to do a lot of reps. But here's what warm outreach is. Warm outreach is going to someone who already knows who you are and about you. And you could start by looking at the people who follow your account. If you're starting to post as an editor, chances are after a while, some creators are going to start to follow you. And one client who you could close at a reasonable rate, even if it's cheap, is way more valuable than having no clients while waiting for the perfect opportunity to come your way. Because I promise, whatever secret perfect opportunity that you think you're waiting for when you're at 0 clients, it's not coming. So you need to start by being proactive, getting results. No, even if they're tiny results, even if it's $100 a month, that's $100 a month that you were not making before for video editing. And then that allows you to create leverage and work your way up and up and up over time. And here's what I mean by, using that client as leverage. As soon as you get good results for them, whether it's a video they loved, a video that performed well, get that testimonial. Get that testimonial and get it ASAP. The result, the social proof, and all of that just makes getting the second, third, fourth client so much easier, literally hundreds of times easier. Because, think about it. If you went to a restaurant and you saw just raving reviews about how great the food is, you're not going to question if you want to eat there. You're like, of course I'd be happy to try this. But if you go to a new restaurant and it's like, oh, we actually have 0 reviews, you're going to be like, what? That's kind of weird. I don't know if I trust this. I don't know if I want to eat here. And it's the same exact way that clients feel seeing whether you have testimonials or 0 testimonials. So always, always, always make sure that you're getting your testimonials. Speaking of testimonials, here on screen is a bunch of testimonials from within my community, Six Figure Editor, where all these people are just talking about how great of an experience they're having, their wins. These people are genuinely changing their lives based off of the information in here that they're getting every single day. And we would love if you would join us. Now we have an interesting point. Here's how to price at the start all the way up to $5,000 a month. And here's the realistic progression, all right? You're going to want to start lower. And now, contrary to popular belief, starting lower is not selling yourself short. This is the time when you're just trying to get any work that comes your way. So if you see a client who you think, okay, I'd be happy making 1.5K a month for the type of work he wants me to do, and he asks you to do it for 900, take that opportunity, because right now that's $900 a month that you're not making. And taking these clients and building yourself up, getting the testimonials, improving your work, and also just taking these clients and doing the work is going to transition you from completely beginner, completely nothing, to someone who can say that they're a video editor as their job, even if it's a part-time job, while we work on our way going, all the way up. That being said, here's something super important, and that's the specific milestones that signal that you're ready to raise your rates. Now, these are you're getting more and more DMs more frequently from new prospects who are actually reaching out to you first. That's a great sign. clients are getting incredible results. So if you see someone quadruple their views on their channel after 3 months of working with you, that's an okay time to ask for a raise. If your work is genuinely improving, like you get way better at editing, there's obviously no reason you should be charging what you were up front. You're just cutting yourself short there. So those are the type of signs that you should be looking for to maybe like increase your rates by anywhere from 10 to 30%. Anything over that, and you may risk, turning off clients and losing people because they're like, why would I one day start paying 50% more for an edit? Be reasonable about it and be smart about it. And a lot of people really aspire to 5K a month editing. I've heard this from a lot of people myself, even though it's not that hard to go way beyond that, as I have myself at 12K a month. But here's how simple 5K a month is. 3 clients at 1.5K a month, and you're at 4,500. One of them gives you an extra video or two, boom, you're at 5K. Do you know how easy that is? All you have to do is convince 3 people that you're valuable and that your work is valuable and that they should want it. And if you currently have no work, why not spend every waking moment doing that? And you know what? While we're at that, why not speed up that process tenfold by joining Six Figure Editor, where you also get my exact outreach strategy, daily answering of questions, group calls, and a master course on positioning, raising your rates, finding incredible clients, building your portfolio, building your personal brand to over 7,000 followers across multiple platforms as I have. There's no reason why you can't achieve this and much more and create your dream life where you could retire your parents. If that's a goal of yours, you could travel the world, work remotely, do whatever you want to do just by joining this and speeding up your progress. So that's enough for me. I hope you found value in this, and I'll catch you guys next video.